While you're sleeping tonight, money could be hitting your account. Not from a job and not from asking your parents. It could come from a Pinterest blog that basically runs itself. I know what you're thinking. Pinterest is for recipes and home decor, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Pinterest is actually a search engine disguised as a social network. Right now in 2026, there's a massive gap between people creating content and people making money from it. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to build a niche Pinterest blog that generates passive income. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 income streams that actually work, the niches college students are sleeping on, and why Pinterest might be easier than you think. Let's start with why this works at all. Pinterest gets over 450 million monthly active users. Most of them are actively searching for solutions. They save pins, they click through, and when they land on your blog, that's when the money happens. Here's the catch though. You need traffic, real, consistent traffic. First strategy is to choose a micro niche within a micro niche. Don't pick productivity. Pick productivity hacks for STEM majors balancing internships. Don't pick budget meals. Pick meal prep under $5 for grad school application season. The more specific you are, the less competition you face, and the easier it is to rank. This matters because Pinterest's algorithm actually rewards content that gets saved consistently. When someone saves your pin, Pinterest thinks it's valuable and shows your pin to more people with similar interests. You're basically getting free distribution for each save. Second strategy is to create pins that make people stop scrolling. Your pin has 3 seconds to make someone care. That's why your design needs contrast, bold text, and a clear benefit, something that says stop scrolling and click me. What actually works is text overlays that ask questions. Questions like, can you actually get a 4.0 while working full-time? Or, I tested 10 study methods. Here's what worked. Or stop wasting 20 hours a week on this. Remember that the pin itself isn't your moneymaker. The pin is just the vehicle. Your blog post is where the actual income happens. So make sure your pins are so good that people can't help but click through. But here's where most people mess up. They create 1 pin per blog post and call it a day. That's wrong. You need to create 10 to 15 different pin designs per post. Use different headlines, different layouts, and different colors. Then test them. See which ones get the most clicks and different colors. Then test them. See which ones get the most clicks and double down on what works. Third strategy is to build 3 income streams at once. Income stream 1 is affiliate marketing, and this is the fastest way to make money. You write blog content around products that college students actually buy. Laptop stands, noise-canceling headphones, desk lamps, study apps, productivity software. You include affiliate links in your blog posts. Someone clicks your link and buys. You get a commission, usually 5 to 40% depending on the product. Income stream 2 is ad networks. Once your blog gets about 10,000 monthly visitors, you can apply to Google AdSense or Mediavine. They put ads on your blog and you get paid when someone clicks or views an ad. This is passive income on top of your affiliate income, and it doesn't require any effort after you set it up. Income stream 3 is digital products, and this is where the real money is. You're already writing blog content. You're already building authority in your niche. So sell something. A study template, a course, a checklist, a resource bundle, something that solves a specific problem for your audience. If you have 100 blog visitors a month, and even 2% buy a $10 digital product, that's $20. Now multiply that by your audience growing over 6 months. You see how this scales. Now let's talk about the niches. College students are actually sleeping on. Niche 1 is career transition planning for uncommitted college students. Searches for changing majors, switching majors junior year, and what major makes 6 figures are exploding. These students are panicking and searching for answers. Your blog solves their problem. Niche 2 is mental health and managing college anxiety without prescription meds. Search volume is high and competition is fragmented. People will click through affiliate links for meditation apps, essential oils, weighted blankets, and therapy journal. Niche 3 is sustainable fashion on a college budget. Fast fashion is falling out of favor and thrift flipping is trending. Young people want to look good without spending money. Content about secondhand shopping, style on a budget, and ethical brands performs incredibly well on Pinterest. Niche 4 is building credit as a college student. Nobody teaches this, but everyone needs it. Content about secured credit cards, the best student credit cards, credit score hacks, and financial independence gets saved constantly, and financial independence gets score hacks, and financial independence gets saved constantly. Niche 5 is remote internship opportunities and freelance gigs for college students. This literally never goes out of style. Your audience is actively searching for money-making opportunities, and you can recommend freelance platforms, skill-building courses, and job boards. Here's the timeline that matters most. Months 1 through 3, you won't make money. You'll be writing content, creating pins, and building your blog. This is the grind phase. Your job is to publish 1 long-form blog post per week and create 12 pins for it. Months 4 through 6, you'll start seeing traffic, maybe 100 to 500 visitors per month. You might make your first $5 to $20 from affiliate links or ads. It feels small, but it's real. Months 7 through 9, if you've stayed consistent, traffic accelerates. Search engines start ranking your content higher. You're getting 1,000 to 3,000 monthly visitors and making $50 to $200 per month. For the first time, it feels like actual income. Months 10 through 12 and beyond, this is when it clicks. You have 3,000 to 10,000 monthly visitors and you're making $500 to $2,000 per month. Here's the beautiful part. You're not writing new content every day anymore. You're writing once a week. The rest is automated traffic hitting your old posts and generating commission. That's passive income. You sleep. Your old blog posts work. Money comes in. But I need to be real with you. This only works if you actually do it. Most people read this and think it's too slow. 9 months to make real money? They want faster results, so they quit at month 4. Don't be that person. The 9-month timeline is the honest timeline. By month 12, you'll have something most people don't. An asset that works for you while you work on classes, internships, or whatever else. So here's what to do next. Pick a niche from the 5 I mentioned, or find your own micro niche. Then write down 5 blog post ideas in that niche right now. Not later, right now. Then tomorrow start writing the first one. If you actually build this, come back and let me know. I'm curious which niche you pick and how much you make.